Hello, let's make lock extensions. I'm doing the curly hair with the curly ends. There's more silkier hair. And that tool that I using, I will put all that in the description. It's similar to a pipe cleaner. And I use a 3-prong and a 2-prong, but mostly the 3 is what I use the most. And it is a size 0.50. I put all that in the description. But yeah, with the curly hair, I can use it with the bundles. If like some of my clients have softer hair and they wanted to match their hair, but they want the curly ends as well, I would use the bundles hair. It's the human natural curly hair. And I also make it with the kinky hair with curly ends. So I will show you that one in another video. So what I do is separate the hair. I frizz it up real good. Only the part that I want locked. I don't frizz up the ends. I leave that curly and loose. And you just crochet and crochet and crochet. show you a bundle that I completed. I still leave it on the track. I'm just going to show you how I cut it off the track, but when I wash them, I leave it on the track. It's easier to keep them together when they're on the track. I soak them in good shampoo for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I spray it with leave-in conditioner and let it dry. But right now I'm just showing you how I cut it off the track. See, just a little bit off. And that part that I didn't lock, I'll show you later. I frizz it just a little bit, and that's what you're going to use to attach to the customer's hair. Okay, as you can see now, I pull all that loose hair out of there. I will take my little bristle brush or a comb, whatever you have available. You don't have to go buy anything, and I just frizz up the ends. And that's what I'm going to attach to the customer hair with the crochet. There we go. Now I'm going to show you what it looked like after I spray it with the leave-in conditioner. It can be conditioner or mousse. But like I said, I do wash the hair first and I let it soak in warm soapy water. So I just want to show you what it looks like after I spray it. It does get real curly, and that's what some of the customers love, the curly ends, see? And when it dries, it's so pretty. It's natural looking. So all you're going to see is the lock part, and then you'll see the curly ends. It don't have to be that long. I left these long because I don't know how long my customer wants them. So right now, I just left the length on there, but you can cut that off, cut them down some. All right, so thanks for watching. Like I said, when you get done, you soak it in warm water, and then you spray it with leave-in conditioner, or you can use some mousse, and I'm going to have a picture at the end to show you what I use, all my tools, and then I'll put it in the description. Thanks for joining. Make sure you like and share and subscribe to my channel.